back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscape with this beautiful Xeon Zorgia sod installation along with the decorative gravel landscape drainage solution that has absolutely transformed this customer's landscape. It's not only provided them with an opportunity to be able to utilize this space once and for all without having to worry about any erosion, but it's also giving them back their landscape in a way that allows them to have the best lawn in the neighborhood. Now, we went with this beautiful Xeon Zorgia sod because it's drought tolerant, shade tolerant, and it has the ability to suck up a tremendous amount of water. And that also gave us an opportunity to get rid of that existing pine straw in this landscape and be able to go with the beautiful decorative gravel. I added in some river rock right here in order to stop all of that water that was coming off of the landscape and causing a tremendous amount of erosion. All of this being brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we turn outdoor landscape dreams into reality, and we give our customers more quality and more quantity than that of what could have ever been expected. Now, as you begin to look on this side of the landscape, it was necessary that we found the way to be able to use our decorative gravel in order to waterproof this part of the landscape. And as you can see, I do got a 1 to 2 inch size rock. So that's gonna allow for us to be able to position this customer to have a solution that lasts a lifetime. In addition, all of this area that was once being able to erode itself because of the erosion that was happening on the landscape, we've been able to solve that by being able to bring in the erosion control fabric along with this decorative gravel. And remember, this decorative gravel sucks up a tremendous amount of water. We just let this area get hit with water and it's no longer even able to be seen. It also says that when you begin to do a landscape drainage solution, you want to make sure that you're doing this because it allows for you to be able to ensure that you're never going to have to worry about your landscape again. And to help you better understand what we did, we also came in on the back side of this landscape and we completely solved this customer's landscape problem. We gave them the beautiful Xeon Zorgia throughout their entire backyard, and then we also gave them an additional 12 by 12 on both sides of their patio that just gave them the opportunity to solve their landscape problem once and for all. All of this was brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, but I also want to show you what we did on this side of the landscape that just wasn't able to grow grass and it always stayed wet. We brought in the beautiful decorative gravel that allowed for us to put in this beautiful planting structure that then gave us the opportunity to be able to give this customer a solution that's going to last a lifetime. Every single part of what we were able to do on this landscape gave this customer the solution that they were looking for and the opportunity to utilize their landscape in a way that's never been done before. Now, the Xeon Zorgia, drought tolerant, as I said, it's going to be able to take on all of this sunlight, but it's also going to work in some of these areas where you see a lot of shade. So these are just some of the ways that we're solving landscape problems for our customers, guys. And if you're in a position and you're looking for a landscape drainage solution, you're looking for an outdoor landscape transformation, you don't have to look far. The professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping to be able to help you out, because we make dirt look good like you never thought we could.